how to wire money to crypto.com. I'm going to show you how you can easily wire money to crypto.com. First, log into your wallet on the blockchain.com for iOS or Android app. Then, toggle from DeFi wallet to blockchain.com account at the top if needed. On the home page, select US dollar and then click Add Cash. Next, select Wire Transfer. Your unique deposit details will be shown here. This is not a bank account under your name. It is a unique virtual reference. On the deposit screen, you will see detailed wiring instructions, including your unique reference number, account number, and routing number. Please do not include the reference ID in your deposit. Use these deposit details to initiate a wire transfer from your banking platform. You can also call or visit your bank in person for support with wire transfers. Ensure you include your unique reference number with your wire. Without it, the wire transfer could fail. That's it. Your deposit should arrive in your blockchain.com account in 2 to 5 business days.